I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Discord. Please provide an access token. You can obtain it by visiting the Discord console. New application. Give here a meaningful application name. Click on the checkbox and create. Navigate to the OAuth 2 URL generator. Under the scopes, choose Bot. Give here bot permission. Copy the generated URL and paste it into a new tab to browse. Choose Server. Continue. Authorize. Then go to your server. Now go to your Discord developer site and navigate to the bot. Reset token. Copy the token and paste it into the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose Server. Choose Channel. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. To proceed, please visit your Discord website and navigate to the server. You can see that the data has been successfully received in Discord. Thanks for watching.